Deer Creek Audio, your trusted technical resource.
In this video, we will show you how to evaluate the best option to bring your Bose 901s back to life and keep them singing for years to come. Bose 901 speakers are cherished by their fans, often evoking memories of a specific sound and a different time. For many, they are the dream speaker system. But as a classic system, they need care and attention to stay in perfect performance condition, in particular, the equalizer. Bose 901 speakers were introduced in the 1960s and flourished through the 1990s. While they continue to perform extremely well, there have been many technological advancements in the intervening years. In particular, with the electronic equalizer. The speakers themselves are fairly bulletproof and typically don't need much maintenance, the exception being the foam surrounds on Series 3 and early Series 4. Unfortunately, the same can't be said for the equalizer, which is an essential part of the speaker system. It's also the one piece that most often fails or is lost entirely. Bose engineers created the original equalizer in order to provide an accurate, full-range audio presentation. Due to the multi-driver direct reflecting technology used in the loudspeaker's design, equalization is necessary for proper frequency response. As the speakers evolved from Series 1 through Series 6, so did the equalization curves. The curves were improved to closely match and enhance the changing designs of the speaker drivers and enclosure. A properly operating equalizer with series-specific curves is necessary to bring life and clarity to the enveloping sound of the loudspeaker design. So, which technology is better, old or new? To some degree, this question is subjective. If you have an OEM equalizer and everything is operating properly with good performance, you should be fine. You also shouldn't have any problems if the circuitry has been recently updated and the equalizer works with no problems. However, if you want to experience the enhanced performance, reliability, and advancements of newer technology, you should consider a modern replacement equalizer. Modern digital signal processing offers many features that enhance the Bose 901 experience, such as direct digital EQ processing and subwoofer active crossover. When using digital inputs from a modern DSP-based unit, the music stream is maintained in the digital domain all the way through the 901 equalization process. This is the purest and highest fidelity way to drive your 901s. Add in active crossover for your subwoofer, and you'll experience last octave bass extension, reduced overall distortion, clarity, imaging, and improved dynamics. How do you know if it's time to repair or replace your OEM equalizer? The first step is to evaluate your equalizer. Try the following. Listen to the channels individually to determine if the sound from each is similar. Listen for hum or noise both with and without an input signal to determine if there is distortion present. Slide the sliders and switches back and forth with music and also silence to determine if there's excessive noise or dropouts. Gently wiggle the RCA cables to see if any connections are intermittent. If you decide to replace your unit with another OEM equalizer, you'll need to shop on internet venues such as eBay or Craigslist. At a minimum, you should try to verify the equalizer is working properly by listening carefully through a pair of 901s before purchase. If an issue is found with either your existing OEM equalizer or one purchased from an internet site, you'll need a good technician with a track record for repairing Bose equalizers. You'll also want the technician to provide test results after any work has been performed. Again, you'll need to check the internet, industry forums, or word of mouth to find a qualified repair person. If you decide to explore modern advancements with a new replacement equalizer for your Bose 901s, consider Deer Creek Audio's EQ901 series. EQ901 equalizers from Deer Creek Audio are designed with advanced DSP technology to duplicate the Bose factory response as closely as possible. The equalization curves in the series are based on hours of listening comparisons, technical expertise, and extensive testing. They also feature enhancements in dynamic and frequency range for lower noise and distortion. Based on the Mini DSP platform, our replacement equalizers incorporate the latest DSP technology. As a result, EQ901 equalizers have proven to be extremely reliable, with thousands of units currently in use we estimate a mean time between failure of around 23,000 hours. There are 3 EQ901 equalizers available through Deer Creek Audio, so you can easily find the solution that best fits your needs and price range. As vintage audio equipment and equalizers become more expensive and less reliable, it may be time to check out a modern, high-fidelity digital system. There are several alternatives for connecting your 901s to modern audio equipment. If you're looking to replace a troublesome vintage receiver or amplifier, consider a new system that includes an EQ901 Platinum and Hypex Class D amplifier. Be sure to visit us at deercreekaudio.com for more resources, tech blogs, and product details. Keep watching our YouTube channel for more video releases.